Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to buy Bitcoin on a Coinbase wallet. So it's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's get right into it. So first off, you should have your Coinbase wallet as usual. So by doing that, you can download it in your Android or iOS devices by just searching Coinbase wallet. So after you have your Coinbase wallet, you should sign in or probably sign up for your wallet. It's just very simple. It's gonna ask you 5 steps and you'll have to follow it. And there you go. So here you can see I have my Coinbase wallet. So our goal here is to buy Bitcoin. So we'll just press here buy. And here you'll have the option to transfer from Coinbase or buy it for transfer with Transact. So we're just gonna buy or transfer with Transact. So as you can see here, you have a lot of assets to choose from, such as USDT, Dogecoin, Uni, US Coin, whatever, Ethereum, but we're gonna go with Bitcoin. So here there's a limit and there's a maximum you can buy with a Bitcoin. So here there's about, let's just see, so it's 1,668 pesos in Philippine currency, as you can see here. So here you'll have your method of buying your Bitcoin, so you can select 2,000 and there you go. Just press continue and this will redirect you to buy Bitcoin with Transact. So here you'll have your payment methods such as GCash, PayMaya, and other banks that you can choose from. You can choose ShopeePay or Visa card payment, and there you go. And you'll have your estimate of receiving your Bitcoin for the mainnet network, and there you go. That's how you buy Bitcoin on a Coinbase wallet. And thank you for watching this video.